Hey guys, it's Nasa, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. I'm gonna give you an update on the house that smells like death, right? Fortunately, we got the smell out. I'm gonna let you see all the progress that we have made with this property. So just follow me. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. So, if you're looking over here, we got the garage cleaned out for the most part. A few more items need to get picked up. Let's go inside now. It's a big difference. Appliances gone. We started changing light fixtures. If you come over here, you see the tile is still good. So we're gonna keep that tile. I changed my mind, right? So I decided to go through a new flooring due to the smell. So we're gonna do new flooring throughout the house. The floors in here. Normally you want your guys to paint and do floor last, but I'm gonna do it reverse due to scheduling. It's hard to get on people's schedules right now because it's a hot market. So the painter might be the last guy in here, and then I'll do, punch out list stuff. When I say punch out list, that means like little items like hanging up bathroom kits for your towels and things like that. Little touch up stuff. When I found out what was in there with that sink was human feces. Yes, they were using the bathroom in the sink, and they were using the bathroom in the tub, okay? They was using the bathroom there. So I had to get somebody out that had a wet vac and was able to get all that out. The granite guys should be coming in a few days, so we're gonna go back with granite in here. We already put the new light fixtures up. Got these from Amazon, shout out to Amazon, the new light fixtures. New ceiling fans throughout all the bedrooms. The house has a new roof on it, so we're good there. Now, let me show you this, right? How you save money. So the bathroom was terrible. So what we did, we had the guys refinish the tub. Now the tub looks brand new white. Of course, I'm gonna get new fixtures, but the tub looks brand new white. So what they did was just refinish this, so this can be like white. So that way you don't gotta buy a new tub. You can do that with countertops and things of that nature. I'm gonna take you in the room where the guys working, so you'll see it, how they do it. It's a very strong chemical smell here, but you'll see how they do it. 1 second, come on. So if you're looking there, it looks new. So I'm gonna let you catch that. There you have it. We're halfway there. All right. 2 weeks. We should be done in 2 weeks. This was an easy cosmetic joint. So this week, well, in a few days, I'm hoping I can get the granite guy in here. Hoping I can get the plumber here. Of course, we're doing new toilets, new fixtures, and we got to find out where that leak is. Because remember, when the city came to turn the water on, what happened was they couldn't leave it on because it's a leak somewhere. So it could be in the front yard, could be, but we gonna, have to find that leak and get that repaired. Hopefully we get that taken care of, and then the painters start the week after that, and then after that we'll just do punch out lists. This is what I need you to do. You want my ebook, right? Go to freenasbook.com. I'm gonna give you my Amazon bestseller for free, okay? Remember, my student made $15,000 in this. They were in the maxofnas.com course, so you go check that out. If you want a free 9-week course, right? A free 9-week course on how to get started, go to my blog, all right? You're gonna scroll down, put your name and your email in, and you're gonna get my free contracts and assignments, and then you get the 9-week course for free, all right? So it's gonna come over a course of 9 weeks, all right? Check all that out. Follow me on social media. As usual, I wish you much success in your life and in your business. Peace.